Okay, so we have the Eachine E019 Air Force. So what it is a paraglider. You can also get him to stand on the drone. Here we have the instruction manual. There should be, here we go. Oh, here is our little man right here. So our little man, and there's our paraglider right there. This has more than just the paraglider in. It also has a few other goodies. We have 4 spare propellers, USB charger, a screwdriver, and then the paraglider, which, oh yeah, right here. There is what you use to connect it. All right, and let's flip it over. Here we have the controller. It is altitude hold. I'll show you what all these buttons do when I'm out flying it. I don't want to bore you with that right now. And then here's the drone. It does have like prop guards around it. Really feel flimsy there, like they could break off. Battery is stored right here. And, whew, man, that is a tight fit there. Okay, so the battery is a 3.7 volt. 300 milliamp hour battery. But let's get this guy set up so he can stand on here. We're gonna fly him around standing on it first, and then we're gonna put the paraglider on. Okay, so we're gonna fly this first with the guy on the top, and to connect him in, he actually connects with his heels. You can see there, all you do is it's not easy, but you have to like clip them into place there. So, and like I said before, this plastic it just feels really cheap. It doesn't look like he's totally locked in there. I'm afraid, you know, maybe there, maybe I don't know. I think when I do a flip or whatever, he might go flying off, but we'll see how this does. We'll do the auto takeoff, which is this button right here. Oh, there it goes. Well, look at that. So it looks pretty neat with him flying on top there. He's kind of like a Silver Surfer, or oh, I can't think of that guy from Spider-Man. But it does have altitude hold. As you can see, it's just hovering there, and it's kind of drifting. So I have to adjust the trim, which is right here. Okay, let's bring it. He just keeps drifting away. I did try and trim it out, and it did trim a little bit. This is your flip button here. So he did not do a flip. Why did he not do a flip? Does he do rolls? Oh yeah, he does rolls side to side there. Does not do front flips or back flips though. It also does have 2 different rates. So, oh, there was two beeps, and he's flying around a little faster now. Let's see if it has a 3rd rate. Oh, it does. Has 3 rates. Honestly, I don't know. Here's the 1st rate. 2nd, let's do, you can tell a little bit that the 3rd rate is faster.
So this does have auto land, which is right here. So push the button and, ooh, well, I don't recommend doing auto land in the grass. There's nothing on the bottom here to protect the propellers. So if you come down into the grass, your propellers are in the grass. Let's put the paraglider on them and see how that goes. So we have to disconnect the guy and attach the paraglider like this, right there. So you connect that there like that. You connect this here like that. And you want to make sure these are sticking to the front, because these get stuck into his back like that. And then you also take his hands, put his hands up in the air like you just don't care. And there we go. So to take off, you have to have him kind of laying on his back. So let's turn this on, and we'll turn this on. Okay, I think we're ready to fly here. So we'll hit the auto takeoff. Oh, there he is. Coming in. Woo. Okay, let's go into a higher rate because I want to see him flying around. That's just funny to see. Okay, it's a lot less stable with him dangling from the bottom of it, but it's still pretty neat to look at. Oh, let's see if he could do some let's do some funnels with him. See if he likes funnels. Maybe we can make him throw up. Okay, funnels are not working too well. Oh, crash landing. Okay, we have to take off again because he does not like funnels. So I want to see if it does like the rolls and stuff. That has to be wild looking if it does do the rolls. Oh no, look at the lights. The LEDs are flashing and it's coming down, and wow. And it blew a propeller right off here. So I didn't even get to roll it yet. All right, I'm gonna charge this up because, well, I kind of figured the battery wouldn't last long just because it's only a 300 milliamp hour battery. So I want to charge this up real quick and I got to get this back out. I want to do some rolls and I have to put this propeller back on. All right, I got it all charged up. Now I can get out here and I want to see this thing do some flips. And there's a demo button. I didn't use that yet. Oh, this is for like an emergency. You just long press that and it'll turn the drone off. I'm not going to try that, but that's what that's for. So I don't know. Maybe I'll try the demo. I want to see what the demo's about. Okay, we're all bound up and here we go. So I want to see this thing do some kind of flip. Oh, okay. Well, once again, a propeller fell off. I guess if you want to do a flip, you have to go really high in the air. Let's take off again. Let's see how much better it does up higher in the air. So let's do a flip. Oh, okay. And once again, the propeller fell off. Okay, so there you have it. Don't do flips as a paraglider because you're gonna crash every time. Okay, I'm curious as to what this demo button does. So here's the demo, and well, he's just flying around in circles. I'm not doing anything. This is the demo, so that's all that it is. Just flying around in circles. So let's fly. I wonder how you turn that off. Okay. Yeah, this thing's pretty cool looking though. I like the way it looks with the paraglider, and he looks pretty awesome when he's flying around, standing on top of it. Oh, it's coming down. All right, so the Eachine E019 is actually pretty awesome. If you didn't already, right over here, there's a little subscribe button. Go ahead and hit that. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.